Advent of code. So, I've been waiting all year to do this so that I can promise myself I'll do it, all of it, and then just quit after a week. Usually a week is already pretty good. Okay, and you know what? Let's just put some lo-fi. Yeah, this is the usual lo-fi. Okay, I think I will do it in Python first because it's the language that I work with the most. Then Elisp and then Golang. Um, I'd lie if I told you that I didn't prepare at all for this. Well, actually, I did not prepare. I just had the 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 first half of the quiz read to me by my wife. So in the head, I was like, oh, if I got it right, like if I understood right the instructions, maybe I already know what to do. So, yeah, let's go to the story. I gotta say, the story is usually what I like the most. Um, the laborious elves just trying to fix Christmas before it's too late. The chief historian is always present for the big Christmas sleigh launch, but nobody has seen him in months. Last anyone heard, he was visiting locations that are historically significant to the North Pole. Okay, so chief historian got lost. As each location is checked, they will mark it on their list with a star. Okay, they figure the chief historian must be in one of the first 50 places they look. Oh, okay, so in order to save Christmas, you need to have them get 50 stars. So the historian will be at the last one. So, right, because if they gotta check each one to find them and a star for each, and you get it at 50, means that he is at the 50th location. So we could do this backwards and we should save them. But no, let's do it this way. So collect stars to solve by solving puzzles. So I'm also a little bit sleep deprived, so this is like a challenging, um, but in a good way. In a good way. Upon pouring into the office, everyone confirms that the chief historian is indeed nowhere to be found, and the elves discover an assortment of notes and lists of locations. Okay. Throughout the office, the chief's office, the historically significant locations are listed not by name but by a unique number called the location ID. Okay, so we got a list of IDs. List of IDs, I can work with that. To make sure they don't miss anything, the historians split into two groups. The historians. Oh yeah, okay, so we are part of the historians. Split into two groups, each searching the office and trying to create their own complete list of location IDs. There's just one problem. By holding the two lists up side by side, quickly becomes clear that the lists are very similar. Maybe you can help the historians reconcile their lists. Oh, okay, this is like double, double check in accounting. I don't remember what it's called exactly. Uh, yeah, okay. For example, 3443. Yeah, okay. Maybe the lists are only off by a small amount. Find out, pair up the numbers and measure how far apart they are. Okay, so 3 minus 4 or 4 minus 3. Pair up the smallest number in the left list with the smallest number in the right list. Then the second smallest left. Oh, okay, okay. Oh, so we gotta reorder them. Within each pair, figure out how far apart the two numbers are within each pair. Figure out how far apart the two numbers are. You need to add up all of those distances. What about negative distances? Am I doing absolute distance? Find the total distance. Okay. Okay. So this is the file. We got this, right? Like this and this. Basically, we need to read this, split this, and reorder it. And I really hope I'm sharing the right window. Yes, I am. So let's go to our file. So I have the main.py right here ready, and I also have the input, right? So this is the same. I hope so. It's really a bunch of lines. We can do it. We can make it. So we can start with a yeah snippet insert, which I think is X, Y, no, X, Y, Control C, Y. Yes, and then I, and then main, right? If main, right? We can define main, and we can do with open my file as so. What was the name of the file? Input.txt. Input.txt. Zef content equal f dot read lines. Okay, so now we got all the lines. This is the beauty of Python. Oh, sorry. Now the stream manager closed again. Man, they really gotta do something about the Android app. Um, the stream manager on the Android app, it like crashes and does weird stuff. Like at the beginning of the stream, I just wanted to share the URL and I clicked on the share stream button and it just, I think what it did, it just went back to the home and then opened the first stream that was running, like someone else's stream. But anyways, okay, we got contents with read lines. Um, and by the way, I'm wondering now if I shared link a little bit everywhere. So we got the contents already split in lines. So what we can do is just split everything by the whatever this is. Is this space? Yes, it's spaces. It's three spaces. So I can assume that the delimiter is three spaces. Wait, one, two, three, right? Three spaces. Um, and so now we want to split each one, right? But we actually want to have two, um, yeah, we want to have two lists. So we can do, you know, call one, right? And it should be like this. Well, we can just do columns, right? Columns. And we can start by casting integer d1 integer C2 for C1, C2 in, and here we just do, I think here we will just do a nested one. But I'm wondering whether I can just, I can probably just use something from Ether Tools, can't I? No? Probably I can. Um, can I use something from Ether Tools? Let's do like this. This is the raw part, right? Content, right? And how do we get here? This is going to be a little bit inefficient, but with the limiter, right? One and delimiter two, right? So we got our um, columns. Why is it complaining? Why are you complaining? Raw is not defined. What? Oh, I put the parentheses in the wrong place. Okay, so we got our columns. Right. We could also just do it each one as a column, to be honest. I'm trying to think of the most um, efficient way. Let's go into Ether Tools. Is there something like, I feel there is a, oh, they don't have the doc strings in the module. Oh, okay, it's fine. Right, I got the columns, so that's all I care about. So what I want to do now is get all the first ones. Actually, I'm gonna do this, right? All the first ones and just sort them, right? Or maybe I can even use sorted from Python and just get the lowest, right? Sorted, I believe you can pass a key, right, which will be a lambda. So what I can do is call one sorted columns lambda x x 0. And actually, this is also wrong because this is 0, 1, right? Um, I can do the reverse, I think it's called reverse. Ooh, right? This thing is complaining though. No overloads. Match the provided arguments. Let's try it. And, right. And obviously I'm not printing, but there's no error, which is good. Wait. Oh, it's not equal main, right? Sort of expected one argument got two. Uh, is this sort? No, right? Yeah. Oh, I gotta specify key. Right. Okay. Nice. Oh, I shouldn't have printed that, but didn't crash, so that's good. Let's do this, and can I just do the first 10 just to see if it makes sense? And you know what I'll do? I'll just remove this. Okay, 99 and 60. Okay, makes sense. So we want also the second one to make sense. And this is going to be column 2. And we want this, right? We want to, but if I subtract the, can't I just sum each list and then do one minus the other? Unless they want absolute um, numbers for subtraction, that should be fine. Okay, is this working as well? Where's true? Thought it would have sorted that one as well. By the second one, but it's not sorted by the second one. Oh, is it a side effect? Is this a side effect? No, return a new list, right? Yeah. Let me lower a little bit the music. I don't know for you guys, but for me, it's blasting. Nice. So the first one works just fine. I don't know if maybe I didn't send it. Oh, I know what's happening. Whoa, what was that? Okay. I don't know how I did that, but no. Okay, this is correct for both, right? Yeah, 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 yeah. So we know that we can just get those like that. And also just do a zero for a in sorted up, and then a one for a in sorted like this, right? Now it should be like I want it to be. Yeah, it looks fine. So there are two options. Either I can just sum each one and subtract, and that should be fine. And I want to try it because if that's the case, that's yeah. uh, return one, column two. No, it's sum column one minus sum column two, right? And let's do that. Let's see if this one works. I'm curious. This one. Yeah. Let's see if it works. Ah, that's not the right answer. Okay. So they really do want a subtraction with absolute numbers. Okay. Um, they want the minimum with the minimum. The yeah. So it's already fine. It's already sorted. So it should be all fine. Is there a function like absolute, right? Can I get a doc string for this? Absolute value, right? So we can just do this. Result going to be equal to the sum of for v1, v2 in zip call 1, call 2, right? So we have v1, v1 minus v2, right? Let's write this one. I printed the wrong thing. We gotta print result. So this is way different. Let's check if this is the answer. Did I copy it? Yes, I did. That's the right answer. One gold star. Okay, this was pretty quick. We also got the second part, right? We have the second part? Yeah, part two. Um, let's go over the part two. First, after the puzzle complete. Your analysis only confirmed what everyone feared. The two lists are different. Oh, okay. Historians can't agree on which group made the mistakes, or how to read most of the handwriting. This time, you'll need to figure out exactly how often each number from the left list appears in the right list. How often each number from the left list appears in the right list. Calculate a total similarity score by adding up each number in the left list after multiplying it by the number of times. Oh wait, okay, that number appears in the right list. Okay, so we gotta make a map of counts. We can use maybe the counter library, right? For that. So we can eglot rename this to part one. Now we can do def part two, right? Um, this is the same. Where is counter from? No, not this counter. No, really? Was it from Ether Tools? No. Mm. Oh, I'm still in the browser. Sorry, guys. So, let's make a collections, right? Right. Yeah. So from collections import counter. We can also do it from scratch, but for now, let's just do it like this, and then we can change it up. So we got all our columns, right? And as before, we can just do this. Uh, how many times each one is in the other one? Maybe we cannot really use counter. Um, how many times each one is in the other one, right? And then after how many times each one is in the other one, we multiply it. But let's do that for now, right? How often each number from the left appears on the right? I think there's a count method to lists. Uh, no? Yeah, exactly. So we can actually make a dictionary comprehension. To the count key for key in call one and um, result, right? And result, and let's write this part too. Whoa. Okay. Maybe we need to have it sorted, right? Sorted. Um, E lambda x. Probably there's a new, faster way to do this, but I remember this one was maybe one of the uh, fastest. Was it this? Um, X X key. Was it X key? No. Ugh. Uh, the item. Oh, it's X items, and then you get that one. Okay, okay, okay. Items, and then you get the uh, the value, right? Yes. The value will be this, right? Right. Reverse. Yes. Okay, very well. We got those, and now we gotta sum them up. No, multiply them by what? don't remember. You'll need to figure out exactly how often each number from the left list appears in the right list. Calculate a total semantic score by adding up each number in the left list after multiplying it. Oh, I see. So each one of these, each key, you multiply it by its value. Okay. So dictionary, dictionary, right? Uh, um, dictionary. Yeah, I don't really care. So very well. The total will be the sum of um, k times value for KV and temporary dictionary items. Is it items? Yes. And so items, and return equal. List object has no attribute item. Oh, right. It's because I sorted it. Wait, do I need to sort it? I don't need to sort it. Right. There it is. Let's see. Is this the answer? Oh my God, that's the right answer. I'm done. Yes, guys, I'm done with Advent of Code. See you next year. And yeah, no. This was good. So we got it running in Python. Very simple. There's probably a better way to do this, right? I want to find a better way to do this. Um, Let me check that everything is okay. Yeah, it is. Okay. Let me just situate myself a little bit better. Am I situating myself better? Yes, I am. All right. Yeah, let's change this up. I want to see if I can use something from the Eater tools, or I think there's another library called More Eater tools. Um, so because like this one, this part of the columns, I'm pretty sure I can find a way to just do it with one of these. Maybe with chain. Make it iterate the returns element from the first iterable until it is exhausted. Um, don't really need this one, I think. Uh, oh, I think the cat got in. I got spooked. It was loud. Let me just get back in a second. All right. Um, Let me find the scene again. Yeah, here it is. Yeah, I don't mind the cat in the room, but sometimes he likes to start walking on the keyboard and just behind the monitor. Like he has a he has a like a hobby of going behind the monitor and almost push it. So this is not the moment for it. This is not the moment. You will have to wait. Maybe later you can do it. So let's see. Um, right. Yeah, either tools. So I think I can do something. Accumulate? No, accumulate. Maybe I can either accumulate or oof. Can I use the accumulate or maybe I can use it for the other one for the part two in this section. I could use accumulate. Let's go to Func Tools. So as to reduce the iterable to a single value. Maybe I can do it with reduce, you know? Um, um, man, I feel like I'm forgetting some built-in to do something exactly like this that I should remember, but I can't. Apply function of two arguments. I function of two arguments cumulatively. Cumulatively. Hmm. Like what do I want to do here? Here I just want all of the first number, right? So probably actually I don't know. There might be some built-in that can help with this, but I cannot think of it right now. Well, let's try with the Elisp main.l. Can I call it main? Is that gonna be a problem? Is it gonna have some weird effects on the state? So, okay, let's try with this. We have two ways of going about this. One way is to open the file. The other way is to does it work like this? Um, require F void variable, right? Yeah, exactly. Require F, and how does it work then with F? I remember there was this library for file handling stuff, right? Yeah, this one exactly. It was like F open, something like that. F file, files, file P, file name. F why a question mark? F open? No. F. Oh man, I have the package lint. Um, oh, that's fine. Let's check. I'm pretty sure in this there's something to open file. No? File. And file name, the name, that's on, right? And file name, uniquify a list. This file. Okay. Was it this then? Return the name of the. Now this is just the name of the path. Hmm, pretty sure there was f read text. I don't see it here though. Read. Oh, there it is. Nice. So what does it want? It wants a path, which is going to be the input.txt. Let's evaluate this. It works just fine. Beautiful. So we got our little thingy over here. We can just do a let contents this, right? And now we can play with that. So we got our file. We want to split it. Require, I think it's called string. No, I already have all the string stuff. Hey, thanks. Let me check. Oh, Lufasola, thanks for following. Yep. So, I already have all the string functions. Probably I can go on with that. Um, let's see if we have something like string split. Yes. So we can do a string split, and we should probably split by we should probably split by separator first. So this oh no, it's not separator first, it's contents first and then the separator. Right. Let's message this. No, wrong type string p. Oh, I thought this would be string. Let me turn off the Elisp packaged mode. Oh, I think it's check doc, right? Let's doing this. Yeah, check doc mode. No, check doc mode disabled. No, it's not that one only. fly check that's doing this? I think it could. Oh, fly check mode. Disabled. Let's see if now to oh no, don't tell me I don't get any help. Oh yeah, I do. Nice, it was fly check. So now that fly check shut up. Wrong type argument. Uh, mm, 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 mm. Oh right, I gotta format this. Format. Nice, done. Let's evaluate it. Nice. Um, as far as nice is concerned. So we got a list of lines, and now we can do this contents, right? And lines are going to be string split, right? String split contents this, and then uh, pairs. Can I call it pairs? Yes. Uh, I think I need to do map C. I don't know why I don't get any docs from here, but yeah. The function is going to be, which I think should be quoted, string split, right? And 1, 2, 3, right? For what? Um, wait. Yeah, string split. Oh, do I need to do like a partial here? Probably. How do you do a partial in Elisp? I think I already did it once. All right, I could just, yeah, I could just tie it up. Can I do this? Um, lambda. How does the lambda thing work? Need arguments, right? Which I think are these. The lines, right? Line. Is line a no, not a keyword? Uh, right. This is what it returns. And the sequence is going to be the contents, right? I think so. And here I'm just going to format the pairs. Paris pairs. Um, oh, I had to do this. Right. The error wrong type argument. Should be, lambda. Hmm. I just maybe define it as its own function here. F1 mod func, right? Func. Hmm. I'm pretty sure this lines, right? It is not. Yeah, it is not a thingy. Well, we can do it the boring way. Let's do it the boring way, and then maybe we can improve on it. So we have the lines, and we can just go through all of the lines, um, and sum up all of the elements of the first half, right? Of the first split. Uh, so how do we do that? Um, let's see. We can do list, right? And the do list is lines, right? No, it's just lines, lines. Is that it? And then split, string split content line by 1, 2, 3, right? And we want the first, right? And we want to cast it as an integer. We can do string to int to number, right? String to number. And once we've done that, we can push it to the first column, right? All one, right? It's going to be just an empty thing. Okay, so this should work, maybe, possibly. Only one way to find out. Error, let binding can only have one body form. Do list. Oh, I closed wrongly my parentheses. Void function first. Was it like this? No. I'm pretty sure there was a first thing, but we can do car, right? Okay. And what we can do is just return all one. Is it a nil? Why? Oh, we haven't pushed it. Push. Uh, New element. will be this. Where do we push it? We push it to call one. And right, this gets closed. Do list gets closed. We can do this. Nice. So we got all of the numbers. There's even a zero, which I think is the last line, probably. Um, but that's fine. Um, we got column one, and we can do the same for column two, right? And we can do this do list. Do list. Just column two, and car of the CDR. Car of the CDR is CCDR? No? Uh, IDR? Oh, come on, man. Just return the car of the CDR. Yes, please do that. Right. Let's close this. Let's check the column two. Wrong type of argument. String nil. Oh, why? Hmm. Is it maybe because of this? Yes, it is. So is it just the CDR? No. Wrong type argument. Well, that looked like it needed a CADR. Uh, wait, what am I saying? Yeah, CADR. Parsing, yeah, constraint. Oh, and yeah, I used to have the stairs behind me. Hi, how you doing? Yes, I'm traveling. I'm. You can probably also tell by how tired I look. New home, new country? Yes. Well, not new home. I'm just traveling around a little bit. I'm in Italy now, visiting family. So this is basically one of my old rooms, and I'll be back to the Netherlands, I think in a month or so. Uh, yeah, but then I'll do some more traveling, so I'll probably bring most of my stuff with me um, again. So yeah, how you doing? Yeah, it's pretty fun. Sometimes it's a little bit tiring because like airports and also sleeping on old small mattresses can be a little bit cramped. But it's fun. It sure is. I'm lucky that I get to do this. So I'm kind of grateful that I can. Uh, Oh, you're doing the Advent of Code as well? Yeah, I finished it in Python. I'm trying to do it in Elisp with 5 hours of sleep. So now I'm at the Elisp part, and then I'll try the Golang part. All right. No, that's not my jam, unfortunately. That's not my jam. I like a fresh blanket and fresh um, covers on my mattress. Um, fresh everything, fresh mattress as well. I used to be like I don't care about the mattress, but then I think once I hit my 40s, 30s, yeah, I'm not yet to my 40s. Once I hit my 30s, I realized that all those memes about back pain were real, and so I really do need a proper mattress if I don't want to be locked in weird positions for the rest of the day. Like right now, I cannot turn my neck on the right more than than a bit. But yeah, still, pretty good food over here. Nice food, nice people, nice weather as well. Today rained, but the previous days were just glorious. Um, oh, I think I'm in the middle actually. Not too soft, not too firm. Because too soft, then you end up anyways in some weird positions and stuff. Because you just sink into the mattress. Same with the pillows. You need to find balance. Life is all about balance. Okay. So for some reason, the CADR is not working on this, which I have no idea why. Mm, I want to test this out. So let's say that I do CADR on a string split of, is this just two spaces? No, it's three spaces. Is this what I'm trying to do? I think it is. Let's do this so I can be sure about what I'm doing. Yes, this should be doable. Oh, I know what it is. It's the last line. I have two ways of solving this. Either manage the last line or just delete it. And I'm gonna cheat and I'm gonna just delete it. No? Am I consuming the lines? Is that how it works? I could also not have lines. I could just generate this on the fly, right? The git gather mode do. Git gather is basically to show the diff of your file, what you add and what you add. It's like when you do git diff, basically. You just get the plus and minuses on the left. You can also code them in different ways. Like you can do the color, you can do symbols. It's pretty nice. It's pretty useful actually. I did a stream a while ago where I did a comparison between Git Gather and another one, which I cannot recollect. Um, I don't remember the name, but there's this other one that's like the Git Gather mode, where you also can expand it to show you the diff in like a pause frame kind of thing, and it's pretty cool. Um, I don't remember the name. Might check it out later. Oh yeah, Defate Shell. Yeah, Defate Shell. It was that one. Yeah, possibly it's buggy. I have it set it up in just in on this machine for playing. I don't think I would use it in like real life scenario because even gig gather sometimes can slow things down if you're on a big on a branch with big changes in a big code base. So yeah, sometimes slimmer is better. So string to number. What is it? I really cannot understand it. This is so frustrating. Round type arguments. String to number is this. Yeah, the column two. Just what? Um, what if I do it manually, like this? Oh, did I? mm, Did I close the wrong parentheses? I think I did. Oh, yes. Yes, I did. Huh. But if I do CDR only, I get this, right? I'm passing this. So I expect this to, I would expect to be able to call this with the car. Yeah, see you later. Have fun. No, it was a video, by the way. It was a video on the not a video, sorry, a stream on here. I haven't yet started uploading videos. I'm saving them up, and then I'll edit some of them and upload them. I have a couple ready for upload, but not yet. As soon as I get more time to get around it. I opened the YouTube channel and everything, but I haven't uploaded yet much. But yeah, have fun. Let me know how it goes for your advent of code. Check. Remember that aside from CDR, there was some function that was like, oh, end, right? End, which I'm pretty sure it had something like second. I don't remember third and stuff like that. And ooh, what if I do this? Debugger list and a wrong type argument. There's still a nil. Hmm. Is it maybe one? Starts from zero? Mm-hmm. let's see this one. Yeah, this looks perfectly fine. I cannot really understand what is wrong with this. Um, maybe I can just message here this and kind of get an idea of what's going wrong. Can I do that? Let's see. Yeah. Oh, yeah, you see, these ones are fine. Like most of them are fine, and then you get two empty ones, which is really weird. Um, oh yeah, what's going on with that? Um, I would say probably it's probably stuff that has to do with the lines, with the last lines. Yeah, you see? Right. Again, nil nil. Oh no, but that nil is just the list. So these ones are all fine, right? I would assume so. Mm, Trying to number. Let's see if no. Wrong type. Why is it nil? Is it already a number? Is that possible? Okay, let's just do push. Let's push that to here and delete this. No, wrong number of arguments. Um, I did something silly over here. Push the number one of this right here. Yeah, there's a nil. Where is that coming from? It's so annoying. Really so annoying. Oh, you know what I can do? We can do this with the PKs and deconstruction. We can just split the line, right? Now that I split it, I can do whatever I want. So we want to deconstruct it. So if I remember correctly, and a B like this. Let me try to message a message format string AB, right? Something like this. So all of this, we can just forget about it, right? And this closes the PKs. Unknown pattern. I'm doing something wrong. Maybe it's just this. PKs deconstruct. I haven't done deconstruction in PKs in a while, but oh, but that was right. Oh, I just switched. I swapped them up. I swapped them like this. If I go to messages, I could see those. No? No? Oh, I just printed AB. Is that because I need to do a pred or something? Oh, I need to use add. Oh no, I don't need to use add. This is just an example. So it should be a deconstruction where it matches a list of two things, right? So then once I have that, I should be able to, oh, I don't need to format the message. That's good. I can just do this, right? Oh, right, it worked. Okay, cool. So then I have this, right? And I can just put a guard in here. Guard string E A, then another one, guard string B. Why is it void? It's not void. Pretty sure that there's a guard thingy I can use. Yeah, I can use a guard. Oh, you need to use and. A common idiom is to write a pattern starting with and, with one or more symbol subpatterns providing bindings to the subpattern. Okay. I mean, I find it a little bit weird that I would need a and just to do. Oh no, actually it makes sense because I want both of these to be true, right? Then only if they're true, um, we do the rest, right? All right. Ew. Oh, I can use spread as well, right? Oh, but how do I tell it to do it with both, right? I really need to do it maybe without deconstruction. I think that might be the issue that I'm trying to do this with deconstruction. Yeah, because there are no examples with deconstruction in that part. So maybe I can do it like this. Would this be okay? Would this be acceptable? Oh, I think it is okay. Huh. Oh, right. Oh man, it works. It works just fine. And it returns nil. So we make sure of all that, and we got our A and B, right? And now we can do our thing where we push A to call 1, and we push B to call 2. And after this, right, this still works. After I push to those, I can then do the addition, the subtraction for each, right? Let's see, do we have an absolute thing? Yeah, this should be it, right? Yeah. So, now we gotta sort those. So we can do sort, sort, sequence is all one, right? Oh, and then sort call two, right? And what do we want to do? I don't know if map C is the best thing to do here. Maybe even map do. Hey, how you doing? Sorry, I was quite into it, so I might have missed your message. This year I'm planning on solving IOC using SQL. Oh, nice. Using SQL. That sounds challenging. That sounds difficult and challenging. Uh, but you know, it's a challenge. So I think it's good. Whatever floats your boat, whatever you have fun with, that should be important, right? That's like top priority, that you have fun. So, like in my case, I know I'm not gonna have any useful, like not useful, but you know, Elisp is not gonna get me a job, but it sure is fun to do stuff in it. So, but yeah, we were looking at map C. Um, and please, do let know if you managed to figure out how to do the first day in SQL. That would be cool. So we have a function. Can I map C map car? Elisp map C lambda. Can I do that? Yeah, I can just do that. I can just do that. Oh man, I could have done just map car instead of all this. Like, uh, let's do it. I really want to do it later. Let's do it. Um, um, comment change change to map car. So, um, what did I want to do? Yes, map car. So, what do I want to do? I want to subtract and get the absolute. So, it's a lambda that gets um, a sec. Is sec fine? Oh no, I cannot use sec. Um, my sec. So the lambda gets the sequence, and then we do minus, do absolute minus r r my sec and sec. So there's something like this. I know there is. I know there is. I remember it. Otherwise, and two and two. Wait, it's and numberless to my sec, right? That I should do it. How do you zip to? Oh, map car star, right? And we do it to the map car star, right? Of ons, right? Is that like this? Yeah. It is. Oh, that's good. Uh, nice. That's pretty nice. Pretty cool that you managed in SQL. So, yeah, I got mapping this lambda man, I'll require cllib. Require cllib. Nice. Now we should have map car. Right. No, come on. I'm pretty sure it's there. Oh, CL map car. Okay. CL map car. Type of argument Lisp. How do you not cons, but list? Yeah, map car plus. If not, a list should work, right? Because it's like you do CL map car of list absolute of list, and you do it on sort 1, 2, 3, and then on sort 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, right? Right. Yeah, this works. For some reason, wrong type of argument. Oh man, what did I do? We got a string to number this. String to number. We forgot to string and to number this. Yes. No, there's a nil. Is there really a nil? How is that even possible? Yeah. Oh, I can just column. So I can do, how does it work? Reverse? Like this? Nice. And if I do nil, nice. But then I don't have any, nils. So how is this actually happening? Hmm. Hmm. I want to try like this. Um, map car, then lambda. I think I don't need this with the lambda, right? Um, line, right? And each line I want to get the car of the string split uh, line. Um, let's try it. Oh, I defined the lambda, but I didn't pass anything, right? I'm getting tired. I'm getting tired. What? Did I switch the... Oh man, yeah, I'm really getting tired. Yes. Oh, right. Like this, it works. We want the car with that. Nice. So I can do the call one is this. Call one is this, right? Yes. And call two is just this. And CADR, and I can try to cast them already from here. String to number. Number. Yeah, there's still a nil. Does this have an option of stripping all of the... Can I strip the lines? Strip Lisp. Strip string. Trim. Is this it? Trim. Oh, mm, well, I got to practice some destructuring, which was good, right? Um, but at the same time, yeah, I'm blocked by a very silly thing, which is that last mill. Can I do length? Yes, circle one. What? Oh, it didn't do that before. You know what? I think that this thing is probably this f read text is probably adding the last line every time. I think something like that is going on because I was just able to run this 2 seconds ago. So we can do buffer text, something like that. Buffers text, buffer string as no buffer string part one. Part one. No, I evaluated it. Yeah. Oh, it's not interactive. Interactive part one. Oh, wrong type argument. String pretty sure it's buffer string properties. I do not want the properties of the text. Wrong type argument. Pretty close to this. I couldn't manage to handle that line. Um, this was read text. Yeah, you see there's that last character. How do I do that? I just want everything except the last. Um, Subsequence. There's probably start and end. This is the sequence. I want the start from 0, and the end is the length of uh, right? Something like this. Oh, wrong. I think I need one extra, probably. Yeah. Valid function -1. Oh. Length of comment. Oh. Let's do lines. Oh, there's only one line? Is it maybe because I have to do it like this? No. Oh, I see what I did. Order of operation. Right. So, this should be good now, but not with 1, with 0. Did I put it in the wrong? Yeah. Nice. So this is fine. No, wrong type of argument. Nil. I still have that nil. Is it maybe the first line? No, it's not the first line. Well, I have seriously no 136. 36. It's this one in the middle. It's so weird. Why would that be an issue? Like, this one looks pretty fine to me. Maybe this? Ah, Elisp, why are you doing this to me? All because of a small nil that pops up like that. Like, I feel like the rest is pretty okay, and it's really just this. This is really just in case I want to exclude the option that it's the last line, but right now it's pretty clear that it is not. If I do NP1 on this list, which one do I get? I get 2, so we start from 0, even with NP, right? So this should be right. This should be correct, right? Yeah. So what becomes the issue here? Call 1. Wait, what? Oh, number of marker. Hmm. What if I do N0? Do I still get that? Yes. Huh. Oh, no. Oh my God, that's so embarrassing. Oh my God. void function sum? I thought it was a function. Hmm. Uh, can I do add? Maybe I just do map car, right? No? No, I think I can just do add like this, right? Uh, void function add. Can I do this? Hmm. Oh, you can just do apply, right? 2164381, which I think was also the answer to the first one. Was it? We can check from the Python one. Right? 4381. 4381. Yes. So this is done in Elisp. It took way longer than I expected. My Elisp apply through is a little bit rusty, and Advent of Code is pretty good at highlighting that. So the first part is done. I'm kind of glad that I managed to do it in fewer lines than at the beginning. And I can do probably, man, this is a little bit scary, right? Applying map car, a lot of applying going on, right? This is pretty good. The second part would be to count each element in the other. And I think there's a function for that. No? It was like, it wasn't called count. Was there a way, or maybe was it from library? Oh, maybe it was from library. Right. We can probably make it recursive, right? That one, your count, something like this, and items. I don't think items is taken, right? No, it isn't. So, um, number P, so what do we do? We do if number P are items. What do we do? If the first item, um, is an item. We also check oh, no comma. We also check if equal item are item. And we start with A, right? So if item is equal, we do plus one C plus one, right? And we call your count on item CDR items, right? And C plus one, right? Else, um, we call this on C. And finally, if it is not a number, we just return C. Let's try it. Your count, let's say 5, in a list of 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 5, and the count is 0. Um, did I miss something? Oh, the equal. Wasn't this how you check for equality? Number or marker? Let's see, numbers or markers. Oh, there's a typo. Yes, there it is. 2. Okay, that's good. We have a count function, and we can do a right? Yeah. And what we can do now is for each one, we want to get the count, right? And then multiply each one by that. So we can do a do list call one, right? Um, item call1. And what do we do with this list? With this item, we check how many times that item is. Can I define more than a variable? I don't think so, right? Yeah, variable list, and if I want to, I can define a result. Um, I don't know if I can modify the result, but let's do like this. Let's just set result to 0, right? And then we can, for each one, count. So multiplication item times your count item all 2, right? Something like this, right? And we set you result to this. Did I mess some parentheses up? Okay, this is fine. Oh, I need to give it a 0. Yes. Args out of range. Oh, did I mess this up? Oh, it looks okay. Args are range. This is fine. Oh boy, these are not even sorted though. Right, but I don't really care about the sorting. So am I doing do list wrong? And this value set. Oh, that value is exactly what I needed. Args are a range. Is it because of this? Oh, item, column, all this. Ah, welcome back. Yeah, yeah, no, I feel the same right now about Elisp as well. Um, I made a small little recursive function and apparently it doesn't work. Yeah, yeah, I think advent of code is just a way to punish us for our negligence towards other languages. Yeah. Do list, colon, so I, 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 I really no idea. Is it the multiplication? I'm pretty sure that this is fine. This is gonna be four, right? Yeah, it's okay. So this is fine. It must be the recursive function. I have an item, a set thing, and either I increase the count or I don't. Uh, hey, I hope you managed to finish it. Did you finish it? The first one? I finished it in Python, but this one is being a real pain. I did the first part in Elisp, but the second one, nice, nice, good job, good job. Are you gonna do it in other languages? I don't think I can do Golang after this, but I will do it again, this one in Golang. I wanted to try OCaml, but I'm at maximum capacity. I still have to recover like my sleep cycle, so I'm really running kind of on fumes. Let's say out of range 36, 37. Yes. Oh, it's the depth. It's the depth, the recursion depth. My function is just fine. You know what? Okay, let's do it like this. Do list um I items result and if well actually I can just copy this, right? Um I and if item I, what do I do? Result and set q result to um, result plus one, right? Something like that. And then that's it. I just have to um, return result and I will be able to sleep. How to read lines from a file. I had to do the same in Elisp right before. Like I was like, am I reading lines wrong? What am I doing wrong here? Well, yeah, everyone almost always. I'm thinking of doing Python alongside of it to remember its syntax a bit. Uh, Let me read it from here from the monitor. Uh, I'll refresh my tea and have a shower. Oh, all right, thanks. Yeah, I had learned quite a bit last year, and then I didn't use Elisp for almost a year. No, maybe a year. Yeah. And so it shows. I forgot a bunch of it. Like if you don't practice, if you don't do it, that's what happens. Um, but yeah, hey, thanks for stopping by. Always nice to see you. And yeah, if you ever stream, let me know so I can jump by and say hi. Yeah, thanks for stopping by. Yeah, and I guess I'll see you tomorrow for the next one if we're gonna do it. All right. See ya. Cheers. Enjoy your night. So, right, this should work. Uh, let's let's get rid of the recursion. Oh, right, wrong number of arguments. How is it void? Oh, this, right? Right. Good. Let's see if it works now. Uh, oh, I didn't return anything. That's always a smart thing to do. What? Oh, I'm not calling it. Now I'm calling it. 45819. Oh, I'm pretty sure it's not. Yeah, it's not this one. Is that possible? Oh, because I'm resetting it every time, right? And instead, what we gotta do is this result 0, right? And then result will be result plus this. I feel like something's wrong with the parentheses, but I might be wrong. No? You can remove this. Oh, it's not returning. Oh, actually, that's the issue. I have to do it here. I have to return in before the let. So result. Oh, I don't know. Is this good? Can probably comment this all out. Let's do this. Do call it. No? Oh, come on. 207-19933. That's correct. Did it in both. Was painful, but it was satisfying to see the same number in the end. Did I really complete them both? I thought I did. I thought I did. Yes, I did. I did. Return to day one. Did I finish it? I think I did. Where do I see my score? Oh, here. It's on the top. Yes. I got 2 stars. Not just one, but two. In 8 hours, the next one is gonna come out. Very good. Um, so thanks everybody for joining. It was pretty nice. Can I do both? Can I just do part two? Yeah, I like this. Yeah, look at this.